Lesson 4, Canto 2. Welcome to the second canto, which has 10 chapters containing 393 verses. The opening verse for Canto 2 is, O my Lord, the all-pervading personality of Godhead, I offer my respectful obeisances unto you. Srimad Bhagavatam 2.1.1. The second canto describes meditation on the universal form of the Lord, meditation on the Lord in the heart, and the process of worshipping the demigods. It also describes how Brahma prayed to the Lord before he was able to create the universe. The 4 verses originally spoken by Krishna to Brahma are revealed. Let's begin with a summary of the 10 chapters with Chapter 1. Regarding the duty of a man about to die, Sukadeva says that a wise person chants and hears about Lord Krishna. He then describes the method of meditating on the Lord's universal form. Chapter 2. Sukadeva describes Astanga Yoga, whereby a yogi meditates on the super soul within his heart. Chapter 3. Sukadeva then describes the path of worshipping demigods and recommends that everyone worship Lord Krishna, whether he be full of desires or desireless. Chapter 4. Pariksit asks about creation, and Sukadeva prays to the Supreme Lord for the empowerment to speak about the Lord's pastimes of creation. Chapter 5. Sukadeva relates a story wherein Narada Muni asked Brahma the same questions. Brahma explained that he creates the universe after the Lord creates all its ingredients and impregnates material nature with the seeds of the living entities. Chapter 6. The Purusha Sukta prayer glorifies the Supreme Lord for being simultaneously one with and different from his creation. Everything rests on him, yet he is aloof. By meditating on the Lord's universal form and by offering sacrifice with ingredients from the Lord's universal body, Brahma recreates the universe at the beginning of each of his days. Chapter 7. The Lord accepts various incarnations to maintain the universe, to deliver conditioned souls, and to encourage his devotees living in the material world. His pastimes provide enjoyable narrations for his devotees to discuss when he is absent. Chapter 8. Pariksit asks questions that establish the philosophical basis of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Chapter 9. Sukadeva answers Pariksit's questions by explaining that all knowledge can be obtained by performing devotional service, just as Lord Brahma did in the beginning of creation. Although ignorant when he appeared from the lotus, Brahma, by the penance of chanting a Krishna mantra, gained knowledge of the Lord, his abode, and the process to create the universe. Brahma was initiated into the 18-letter Krishna mantra by Krishna himself before he was able to construct the universe. Thereafter, the Lord spoke to Brahma the Katur Sloki, the 4 seed verses of the Bhagavatam. Chapter 10. Sukadev describes the 10 subjects of the Srimad Bhagavatam and the creation of the universal form's senses. The concluding verse for Canto 2 is spoken by Suta Goswami to the assembly of sages at Naimisharan. Sri Suta Goswami explained, I shall now explain to you the very subjects explained by the great sage in answer to King Parikshit's inquiries. Please hear them attentively. So one could say that was a very cosmic canto, Canto 2. Next we will begin Canto 3. Namaste.